Now we are going to discuss about merchandising softwares. There are a lot of merchandising softwares. Beshak, it is a discussion about the allocating of goods. It is about the general merchandising software, or it is about the spacemanship. So for every single scenario, there is a proper software available. Let me discuss with you the different famous kinds of software in order to design the merchandise, in order to allocate the merchandise, in order to plan the merchandise. So what are these softwares? First of all, we have in front of us is a general merchandise planning software. It is generally called a planning software. So what products has to be planned on the shelf? Everything, which article, which product category, which merchandising group, how many size, what type, where it has to be placed. So every single thing with respect to general merchandise planning is normally done through this software. तो नॉर्मली आप ये ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि जब भी एक रिटेलर, नॉर्मल देसी तरीकाकार बिल्कुल ये है इसका कि एक रिटेलर जो है वो एक्सेल के ऊपर प्रोडक्ट को प्लान करता है कि मुझे सर्फ की कैटेगरी के अंदर आई नीड 5 ब्रांड्स, हर ब्रांड के लेट्स से 5 साइजेस और हर साइज की कितनी क्वांटिटी मेरे पास होनी चाहिए ताकि मैं अपने स्टोर की जो जगह है उसको फुलफिल कर सकूं. सो जनरल मर्चेंडाइज सॉफ्टवेयर हेल्प करता है अंडरस्टैंड करने में व्हाट यू हैव इन टोटल एंड देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग दैट टोटल इनटू till the product segment level, till the product level, till the SKU and article level. So at each article level, you have to define that how many facings, how much quantity you want to place on your shelf. So general merchandise planning software planning के अंदर help करता है आपको. दूसरा software is about the forecast. So it is called forecasting software. Merchandise जो store के अंदर मौजूद है उसकी forecasting करने के लिए for the period of time. Let's say that forecasting can be for a week, that forecasting can be for a month, that forecasting can be for a quarter. So as per defined set parameters and principles, एक forecasting identify कर दी जाती है, system define करता है how much stock you should have, keeping in consideration of course the sales, the economic order quantity and everything, the ordering cycle, the delivery time, all factors into consideration. वो software define करता है कि how much stock you should carry, how much sales you will be having on the basis of the stock forecast. So merchandise की forecasting के लिए आपको ये software help करता है. तीसरा software is about the innovativeness software. So everything and anything about the innovativeness in the merchandise, this software will have, where you can be more innovative in your approach, where you can be more creative in your approach, that can be more attractive for the customer and that can bring more business for your retail store. So that is done through this software which is called innovativeness software. Next we have assortment software. So normally a retail store has a set of assortment. It can be food, non-food, set of departments and then different categories, and then in the different categories there are different brands, and in the different brands there are different products, and then in different products there are different sizes and different sizes, different colors. So different all attributes are normally planned in this assortment software. So this software normally enables a retailer that how much assortment a store should carry in general if he has X square feet area or X square meter area. For example, if the store has 10,000 square feet area, then how it will look like, what assortment the store should carry on the basis of the goods the store have, on the basis of the general merchandise the store is planning. So it will give you a complete assortment package, and then which is more profitable and useful with the customer perspective के हवाले से. Then we have the allocation software. Normally allocation software जो है, it really defines in the store that one particular product where it is physically allocated, where it is physically located. For example, if as a customer, if I need to see कि मुझे किसी oil and ghee category के अंदर I am looking for dalda cooking oil, so where the product will be located. So system will tell you that where the product will be. It is not generally for the customer, but this software helps a retailer to properly allocate all the kind of products in the system, and then with respect to inventory stock take, either it is partial or annual, it really helps in allocating the product without any wastage of time. Then is category management software. So category management software helps in managing different categories. It is oil category, it is ghee category, it is pulses category, it is detergents category, it is toiletries category, it is beverages category. So there are different set of categories in the store. So it really helps in aligning and managing the whole category part. So we have one example to share with you so that this topic can be clear regarding the merchandising software which is in front of you now. So normally the store have a kind of shelf logic software for category management. As I just explained about the category management, that the category management software will really help in planning the whole merchandising, planning the whole thing. So considering this is the shelf in front of you, so if you see this shelf, so it is very clearly identified. For example, where to place detergents, where to place toiletries, how many facings it has to be there, which size has to be there. It is top to bottom, it is bottom to top, it is smaller, too larger. So whatsoever we have decided, we are going to decide, this has to be there in the category management planning software. So this software will really helps. We have to give the instructions to this machine, to this software, that how many categories we are going to carry and how much business we are going to expect. So on the basis of it, the system will guide you, system will help you in creating the shelf logic, that how much space you give to an X article or Y article. Same is an example of a planogram. So in the early stage, once you make it, it is the dummy without any pictures. But once you develop the planogram, it is like this, that actually the real pictures of the products are placed in the system, where exactly a layman, which is the store associate, store staff, can really see that how many facings I should give, for example, to a fan, how many facings I should give to, for example, sausages, how many or some paste, how many facings should I give to maybe with respect to, I say, for example, chips or fries, how much space should I give to some, so any product or every product, how many facings and where would be exactly location of that particular product. For example, it would be on the right side or would it be on the left side. So whatsoever it would be, you have to identify into the system, and this is actually created with the help of the system. So merchandising software actually enables you in allocating, in defining, in planning, in forecasting, and ultimately category management of the whole retail store.